What's up, everybody? Bitcoin J back again. Yet another video. But this time, this is going to be a little different. I have a little bit of a challenge. Not only a challenge for me, but well, really a challenge. It's really only a challenge for me. Let's keep it real. It's my biggest obstacle to overcome. Okay, here's the challenge. I want a new vehicle. I want a new car. I want something in the SUV range. You know, that costs a lot of money. It ain't cheap. Like, especially with the prices nowadays. I don't know if you guys ever been car shopping, but everything's over MSRP right now, especially the nice stuff, stuff you really want. Is first of all, it's hard to get and it's super expensive. But hey, such is life. You're paying $5 for a gallon of milk now, $5, $6 for a carton of eggs. So everything's increased in price. Two by fours are, you know, uh, 20 bucks, 15 bucks, stupid prices, right? But it's all relative. And I get it. You haven't laid any people off. You got to keep people fed and you got to keep the doors open. So that's such is life, right? But anyway, I want a new vehicle. How am I going to get this vehicle, you may ask? Well, if you look at the screen, you're looking here at the Drip BUSD garden. So the animal dot farm. I think this is where we're going to get this Skrilla. How, you may ask? Well, as you can see here right now, I've got 7,002 plants. That's a lot of freaking plants. Took a lot of freaking moving stuff around and buying this and selling that to get those plants. I believe in this garden. I believe in the Forex community. I believe in drip. I believe in all of this ecosystem. That's it's going to help liberate a lot of people. So for me, I'm concentrating on the drip garden, right? So let's take a quick peek at this, and we're going to do some math. Very simple math, and we're going to utilize the help of old trusty handy dandy calculator. All right, check this out. So right now, 7,002 plants. Excuse me. It's worth about, well, 32 G's. You see that? And it's generating about 233 plants a day, which by their math or the math of this program is $1,081 a day. So if we go, no, that's not the calculator I want to use. I want to use this one. Let's go back. Don't need a full calc. Let's go there. Half the screen. All right. So 1,080. Was it 1,080? 1,081. Let's just say 1,082. All right. $1,082 times 7 days. 7,500 bucks a week times 4.33. So that's roughly 32,395 bucks potential that this garden will be worth in 30 days. Well, it just so happens what I want to buy is probably going to cost almost 2.5 times this. So that's 1 month. Let's times that by 2.5. All right. So I would potentially need to save 2.5 months worth of my drip BUSD guard animal.farm profits to pay for my SUV. I don't know. You don't know me very well. I am very antsy when it comes to building the bag, building the money source, the money tree. I just want to keep dumping things back into it and rarely taking any out, and that's part of my problem. So there's that. That's the one challenge is I want an SUV. The second challenge is fighting my instinct to just dump money back into the money tree instead of just taking some profits out. And I know better than that. I mean, come on. We all know better than that. You got to start taking profits, right? Well, here's the deal. I want to start taking profits. So my real big challenge, my huge challenge, I may need even a little bit more than that to get the right SUV that I want. I have got to try to save and not recompound for 2.5 months. I'm going to take it a month at a time, though. I'm going to take it a week at a time. I'm going to have you guys hold me accountable. I'm going to check in with you every week, let you know my status. All right. I want you to kind of, keep me in line if you don't mind, because the reality is this. This is the kind of thing that we all hope to be able to do, right? So eventually, this is something that everyone can do if they take the chance to get started. See, I took the chance. I took a referral code, got started with someone. I don't even remember who it was, to be honest with you. It's not some of these most popular guys you see on YouTube right now. It's not. It was just some obscure person, and it resonated with me when I saw the video. I said, "Man, I mean, I like this project. Okay, so I need to copy that referral and okay, let's do it." Boom, I did it. Got started in drip. Then it led. It was like the rabbit hole, man. I fell way down that rabbit hole, and it let me here. So thank goodness it let me here, because I'm in a good space right now. So my goal is to generate X amount of dollars from the drip garden to be able to take out and purchase my SUV. That's my goal. If I can do it. Don't know if I can, because I'm fighting that it's an internal battle. It's a turmoil internally. Do I put more money in, grow more, get more plants? Do I grow more, plant more seeds, get more plants? Do I take some profit? That's my battle. So guess what? I have my girl who is really on me about taking out profits, and she's going to hold me accountable physically. And I need you guys and gals out there to hold me accountable through the YouTube comments. Let me know what's going on. I will promise I will give you a weekly update. All right. I will give you a weekly, or maybe every 2 weeks, I'll give you an update. It's either going to be every week or every 2 weeks. I'm going to give you an update on my status and see where I'm at. I'm not going to touch this. I'm not going to recompound. That's going to steadily stack. Hopefully, I can fight my urges. That's the goal. So that's the challenge, and that's what I need you guys to help me with. I'm gonna have some help here. I'm gonna need your help too. So also, I want you to know I appreciate everything so far everyone's done for me. I'm at 1,400 subscribers, almost 1,500 subscribers. That's fantastic. I greatly appreciate everybody's support. Even the haters. There ain't many of them, but even the haters. We need that as fuel. It keeps us going, makes us get better at what we're doing. I hope that really the whole purpose of me making videos about stuff like this is just to inspire people to take a chance. That's all. Not be so pessimistic. Be optimistic. I always try to think positively and think that there's something out there that's going to help positively impact somebody. And that's, I try to keep the videos upbeat like that. So that's the goal. I hope it works. So far, so good. I appreciate everybody. Real quick, before we bounce, I gotta say this. This Piggy Garden is going stupid. This Piggy Garden. If y'all ain't a part of the Piggy Garden, man, listen, I'm gonna leave links to animal.farm below. I'm also going to leave a link to the Piggy Garden below, because this just started about 4 days ago, 4 or 5 days ago. I can't remember. Fresh, brand new. And I've got 9,582 pigs so far. And this is just today, because I've recompounded, because I'm trying to grow this thing monstrously. You may ask why. Well, I'm going to tell you why, because this is why I say don't sleep on this thing. This thing is crazy. It pays out up to 3% per day too. So it's a clone of the Fisherman Joe project, which you guys should know about. And that's sitting at right now $4. And that was at one time like $29 per coin. So a lot of people made a ton of money on that. This is a clone of that, which is, I think, is a little bit better based on the structure, because it has a whole ecosystem. All right. This is why I say this is cool. I did a little quick study before I made this video. I generated X amount of revenue for 3 minutes, right? So I stopped it. So here's my math. Tell me if I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, so be it. I'm not a mathematician. I didn't major in math. So you got 60 minutes, right? Divided by 3. So that gives you 20. So I had generated, if I'm not mistaken, let me look. I did this on my phone, and I don't know if it saved it. Of course it didn't. Why would it save it? So I think I generated roughly 19.26 bacon in 3 minutes. So I took 19.36 bacon that I generated in 3 minutes, multiplied it by 20. Why 20? Well, there's 60 minutes in an hour. And for 3 minutes, I did this calculation. So I divided 60 by 3 and gave me 20. So 20 times the amount of coins I generated in 3 minutes was $385 or 385 coins, 385.2 coins, right? In 1 hour. It's 24 hours in a day. So this is generating me 9,244.8 bacon right now, every day. So every day I'll generate that much bacon. Now, you may say, well, why is that so important? How much is bacon? Well, let's just go to, I don't go here often. We're going to go here now. We'll go to Poo Coin, Poo Poo Coin, Stanky Coin, Dookie Coin, whatever you want to call it. All right. Let's go to the trade. Oh, no, we don't need to. Let's go to the charts. We're going to go piggies. Did I do that right? Oh, TPG. That's right. TPG. APG. There you go. And currently, TPG is sitting at, all right, 0.042 cent. All right, let's go back to the calculator. So 9244.8 times 0.04242 is $392 per day so far with the Piggy Garden. That's exactly what I'm making per day right now. And that's at 4 cents. That's at a low. Imagine if this thing gets to $4, like Fisherman Joe. I didn't make this up. This is the math. I'm generating 9,200 bacon per day based on the current piggies that I'm raising. That the bacon breaks down to being worth $392 per day. Okay. So 392 times 7 times 4.33. That's $11,881 a month right now from the Piggy Garden. Right now. Listen, guys, this is no joke. This is no joke. This is a great project. I mean, it hasn't been out long, but you already know the projects that are just starting, you got to take a chance on, you got to get involved with, you get the most gains early on, right? So the link for this will be in the description. Again, I am not a financial advisor. I am not telling you what to do. I'm just guiding you to things that I am doing. If they look good to you, it's on you. Make money, it's on you. Lose money, it's on you. But I'm telling you right now, you saw it. I'm making almost 12 grand a month based on these numbers, not $392 per day with this program. So I'm loving it. DeFi is king for sure. So shout out to everybody who subscribed. Shout out to everyone who liked and hit the bell notification. Continue to do so. Spread the word. Get that crypto. You know how we do. Until next time, hold me accountable. This is a real deal. I'm doing this challenge. That's what's going on. Hold me accountable. I'll make some updates. Like I said, I'll see you guys at the top. Until next time, peace.